Top of the morning to you. My name is Jacksepticeye. No, Jacksepticeye? Anyway, it's not. It's GPTV. Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the rear reg plate lights on my Honda Accord. So first off, it's very easy to do this piece. You can get your big bitch nails in here, or you can get a piece of tool or something if you need to. But you can get them in here and pull it down. And there is a little clip. There's a little clip right there. See it there? See? And the same as you move along, you'll see other little clips. There's another one there, and one there, and there's another one down here beside the camera. There. Push it that direction and it'll bend the little clip that's in here, and then it'll pop out. Now don't pull too hard because there's not much slack on the cable. There's not much slack on the cable, you see it just there. Okay, this is before with the halogen bulbs. They're all burnt looking and everything. They really don't shine well at night. Okay, so you won't need many tools for this. You need a flathead screwdriver anyway. There's a small little, right here at the center, there's a small little tiny plastic screw. Just remove that, pull that down, and then the rest of them all just clip out by hand. You don't even need a screwdriver. There's one here, just pull it down. And then this here is where your handle is to pull the boot down. You need to push this way, so push it inwards and pull it down. So here's the back of the light now, and all there is just a little clip. So the button is at the back of it. So you press the button, pull it out. The whole light can be removed then from the other side. You see the way these are flat like that? Well, we need that. There are other ones that this part here is raised. I think I have some here, hold on. Now here we go. There's this type here as well. Now you can see the difference there with these two. So this type is more for a hatchback kind of style, like my Honda Stream uses these ones, and anything with a it's hard to explain it. I'm trying to show you. So when you put them in like this, if you see what I'm trying to say, when you put them in like this, they will be shining against the back of the the back of the car. If you put them in like this, they'll be shining at the people behind you. So they don't work. So what you need is these ones. So if you put these ones in, as you can see, these will shine that direction actually, because there is sort of like a little it's kind of like shaped to point that direction. So if you have it like this, it'll be pointing straight down towards the reg rather than pointing that way or that way. Understand? Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, the plug is the same plug as this, and you can get some like this as well. They would go into, a 501 kind of style. You can leave this the way it is. You take that. You can leave this the way it is. You can take that out, take the bulb out, and then that piece goes in there. Okay, so like I was showing you already, you don't have much space to pull it through from the other side, so you kind of have to go this way and plug it in this way. If you can do it with one hand, it'd be great. Oh, sorry, camera. If you can do it with one hand, it'll be great. Oh, look at that. Jesus, I'm a genius. No, I'm not a genius. Hold on. Now I'm a genius. And here you go. Here's the difference. Yeah, there's the difference. Nice. I'm going to be changing this reg plate soon as well. Nice. And there we go. So I'm just going to replace this one now the same way. Now I have the two of them in. There we go. Isn't that lovely? See how easy it is. Don't know why people don't do this. Right, so just put everything back together. Oh no, before I actually put everything back together, I have a light bulb for the reverse light, and I have a light bulb for the fog light. So I'm going to change them as well. LEDs, baby. I'm assuming this one here is the white one, and this one is the red one. I'm guessing. I don't know. Let's plug them in and find out. It's not fitting. No way, it won't fit. Well, that's a bit of a bummer. No way! Oh yeah, it won't fit in here. I'll try and show you what I mean. See, that's as far as it will go up. It won't go in anymore, so I can't fit it in. Oh, do you know what? It's hitting off the... I think it's hitting off the thing inside. There's a plastic cover. Because this is... I think there's a red plastic cover inside there as well. Okay, so that's a kick in the teeth. I'll try and show you this on camera here. Hold on. Okay, what's wrong is that this piece here is too long. So when it goes in here, it's hitting the plate that's inside, like the plastic plate. So when I put it in, it's hitting the plate on the inside. So this has to be shorter. So this will not fit in my Honda Accord. It could fit in other cars now if you're going to look for them, but it's not going to fit in my car anyway. Definitely not. I'd have to get a shorter one of these. Okay, that's a bust. These are a little bit tricky to put in. You have to kind of pinch them, pinch there, and leave this piece out. So pinch, push it in, and then screw in. Make sure it's the right way around first. Your camera is here. Light, button, light. That's it. That's the end of the video. This is Jacksepticeye signing out. No. that's actually a good channel name. Jacksepticeye.